The Bermuda Triangle is mysterious. It has fascinated scientists, historians, and conspiracy theorists. It has done so for the past century. This notorious region spans from the Bermuda Islands in Florida to Puerto Rico. It covers about 805,000 square kilometers, equal to 2 Japans. Within this expanse lies the Milwaukeee Deep. It is the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean. It descends to depths 1.5 times the height of Mount Kilimanjaro. These characteristics only add to its mystique. The Bermuda Triangle has seen many ships and aircraft disappear. Around 100 have vanished over the years. Despite extensive research efforts, the cause of these vanishing acts remains elusive. Similar perplexing occurrences have been reported across the globe. Such anomalies are not unique to this area. This begs the question, what could be more dangerous than the Bermuda Triangle? Delving into historical incidents, the mysteries deepen. For instance, in 1944, the US Navy stumbled upon the Rubicon, an American ship presumed lost near Florida. Despite expectations of a maritime tragedy, the vessel was found intact but devoid of crew. Similarly, eerie incidents date back centuries. For example, the odd case of the Friendship Rosalia in 1840 and the Mary Celeste in 1872. Both ships were found with no signs of life aboard, but their cargo and provisions remained untouched. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle extends beyond the seas. It extends into the skies as well. In 1945, Flight 19 was a squadron of 5 US Navy torpedo bombers. It vanished during a routine exercise, leaving behind baffled investigators. The account of a Beechcraft Bonanza plane in 1970 is equally confounding. It experienced bizarre phenomena mid-flight, leaving its occupants disoriented. They arrived at their destination inexplicably ahead of schedule. One of the most puzzling tales is about Pan American World Airways Flight 914. It vanished in 1955 with no trace, but it reappeared without explanation nearly 40 years later in Venezuela. Such incidents, while shrouded in mystery, continue to defy rational explanations. Numerous theories have been posited to explain the phenomena within the Bermuda Triangle. The theories range from natural phenomena, like underwater methane eruptions, to electromagnetic anomalies. Each theory offers a glimpse into the complexities of this mysterious region. However, none provide a definitive answer, leaving the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle unsolved. Beyond the Bermuda Triangle, other regions harbor their own mysteries. The waters around Australia are infamous for Magnetic Island. Ships seem drawn to an unseen force there. This has caused numerous shipwrecks and grisly discoveries. Similarly, the Devil's Triangle is near Tokyo. The Michigan Triangle is in Lake Michigan. Both have their own catalog of strange incidents. They challenge conventional understanding. Despite tech and exploration advances, these odd zones still defy explanation. They remind us of the vast and unfathomable mysteries in our world's oceans and skies. As we go deeper into maritime history, the mysteries grow. The tales become even more confusing. For example, consider the haunting enigma of the Michigan Triangle. It is nestled within the vast expanse of Lake Michigan. Over the centuries, this region has seen countless strange events. They continue to baffle researchers and adventurers. One such incident occurred in 1950. Northwest Airlines Flight 2501 was flying from New York to Minneapolis. It vanished without a trace while crossing the Michigan Triangle. Search efforts were extensive, but they never found wreckage or survivors. This left a cloud of uncertainty and speculation. But it's not just aircraft that have fallen victim to the Michigan Triangle's mysterious allure. In 1978, a student at a private university, Stephen Bacon, went on a ski trip along Lake Michigan. He vanished without a trace. Despite exhaustive search efforts, no sign of Bacon was ever found, leading to a myriad of theories and conjectures about his fate. Yet, the mysteries of the Michigan Triangle extend far beyond the realm of missing persons and vanished aircraft. Ancient underwater structures have been discovered beneath the placid surface of Lake Michigan. Their origins and purpose are shrouded in mystery. Are they the remnants of a long-lost civilization, or do they hint at something more otherworldly? Adding to the intrigue are reports of strange phenomena witnessed by sailors and residents alike. Bright flashing lights dance on the water. Unexplained weather anomalies and reports of ice falling from the sky add to the mystery of the Michigan Triangle. Many theories and guesses exist, but the true nature of the Michigan Triangle remains elusive. It leaves us to ponder the hidden mysteries of Lake Michigan. Like the Bermuda Triangle and the Devil's Triangle, the Michigan Triangle is a reminder of vast and mysterious forces. They defy our understanding of the world. The Michigan Triangle's mystique is compounded by the discovery of ancient structures at its depths. They hint at a far more complex history than was imagined before. The ruins are enigmatic. Their origins are a subject of speculation. They add intrigue to a captivating mystery. The Michigan Triangle's allure doesn't stop at the water's edge. It extends into the realm of the unexplained. Reports of strange phenomena there are common. Witnesses have seen bright lights dance across Lake Michigan. They've also seen strange weather and inexplicable events. For example, ice has rained from the sky. Each of these accounts contributes to the region's reputation as a hotbed of inexplicable events. Moreover, the Michigan Triangle's influence goes beyond just physical phenomena. It seems to have a mysterious hold on the human psyche. Individuals have vanished while exploring its shores. Their stories, like that of Stephen Bakken, are chilling reminders of the region's mysterious nature. People have speculated and explored for centuries about the Michigan Triangle. It continues to defy explanation. It leaves researchers and adventurers grappling with its secrets. Like its counterparts worldwide, the true nature of the Michigan Triangle is a mystery. It invites further investigation and exploration into the depths of its unexplained allure. Certainly, the Michigan Triangle is intriguing. It captures the imagination and calls for further exploration into its mystery. Throughout history, the Michigan Triangle has seen many unexplained events. They sparked speculation and curiosity among both researchers and the public. Stories of vanished ships, strange weather, and unexplained disappearances echo through maritime lore. They leave a legacy of uncertainty and fascination. Still, many theories and guesses surround the Michigan Triangle. But one thing remains certain: its mysteries endure. Despite tech advances and our understanding of nature, the true nature of this puzzling region remains hard to grasp. It defies explanation and challenges our view of the world. As we explore the unknown, the Michigan Triangle is a poignant reminder of vast, hidden mysteries in our oceans and lakes. We may never fully unravel the secrets of this enigmatic region. Its allure continues to beckon to those bold enough to seek answers in its shadowy depths. The Michigan Triangle's mysteries are like those of the Bermuda Triangle and the Devil's Triangle. They are enduring enigmas that defy simple explanations. It spans centuries of maritime history. The Triangle is in Lake Michigan. It has captured the imagination of explorers, researchers, and storytellers. Efforts to solve its secrets have failed. The Michigan Triangle remains a mystery. Uncertainty and speculation hide its true nature. Ships have vanished, and disappearances have gone unexplained. There are ancient underwater ruins and strange phenomena. The mystery around this region only grows each year. Studying the Michigan Triangle's mysteries shows us the world is endlessly complex. The unknown always draws us in. People seek the truth about this mysterious region out of scientific curiosity. They're also drawn by historical fascination and a thirst for adventure. The quest persists. It casts a tempting spotlight on the unexplained things in Lake Michigan. The Michigan Triangle is a testament to mystery's power. It shows the depths of human curiosity. We may never unravel its secrets, but the journey to understand the mysteries of the Michigan Triangle. It shows the lasting spirit of exploration and discovery. This spirit defines our shared human experience. There are still hundreds of ancient wonders, mystery stories we are willing to uncover on Mystery Unity. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe so you don't miss them. See you in the next video.